Hello and welcome to the Line Leader section of All About Sugar Industry magazine published by XLR Media Private Limited. We feel honored to introduce Mr. Santosh Kumbhar, President of Piccadilly Agro Industries Limited Sugar Factory situated at Karnal district at Haryana. Now, sir, please tell us about the founder and the history of this sugar factory. What was the main aim behind starting this sugar factory?
This is the Piccadilly Agro Industries founded by Mr. Vinod Sharma in 1996. This industry, this is Haryana, don't have the sugar industry at that time, but the Vinod Sharma has rightly pointed out the area and to well-being of the farmers. He installed this sugar factory for well-being of the farmers.
Okay, sir. Sir, please tell us about your life journey, where you born, your childhood and your school education or college education and how you started this job.
I'm basically from Maharashtra, Pune district and Baramati Taluka. It is a town, you can say the village. I belong to the farmer's family. My father used to be doing the farm, and we used to stay in the our farmhouse. And from my farmhouse to my school days, school is far away. Then we used to go by the bicycling, and up to 10th we have completed from my farmhouse to my school days. Then I came to the Baramati Taluka place where I completed my BSc, up to BSc graduation. Then I came to Pune. Then I have done the sugar technology diploma in Pune, Vasantdada Sugar Institute. Side by side, I have to do some management courses like diploma in business management and master of management science. Then I joined as a trainee chemist in Bhavani Nagar. It is situated near to my place. Then after my training, I joined Sri Gonda Sugar Factory, where I became as a manufacturing chemist. Then then after that, 1998, I came to the Indapur Sugar Factory, where I became as a chief chemist. Up to 2007, I was the chief chemist. Then I situated in a multinational company, that is Renuka Sugars. It is based at Karnataka, Athani district. After that, I joined the Olam Sugar Industries, is also multinational company, Singapore-based company. After that, I then joined to the Solapur as a managing director. And then after Solapur, I came to the Haryana, that is as a president in the Piccadilly Agro Industries.
Sir, please tell us about your strength and weaknesses.
My strength is a confidence. That is my strength. And weakness is I get anger. Early anger is that is my weakness.
Because you have been working in the sugar vertical from a long time,
Yeah.
Did you ever thought of leaving sugar factory and going elsewhere?
No, because of my basic qualification in the sugar technology, so I cannot shift. But I used to love this industry because this is a farmer-based industry, and I have to work for the farmers. For the weighing bill of the farmer societies, that's how I decided to stay back in this industry only.
Define leadership and how do you develop leadership in your team members?
Leadership is a management tool. We have to that I have developed the leaders to involving to the others, and delegation of the power, involving them into the decision-making authorities.
Do you think motivation is important and how you motivate your team members?
Yes, it is definitely motivation is important for us because motivation creates the confidence in the team members, and they will try to learn from the motivations without fear.
Please share how you manage your time.
My schedule is very tight. I wake up at early 5:30 p.m., then do some yoga, then cycling, and then I used to come to the office by 8:30, take the plant round, and exactly I will start the morning meeting by 9 a.m.
Did you get stressed out sometimes? How do you manage your stress?
Stress, definitely this industry is being a very stressful because lot of factors to create the stress. Because farmers issue, the industry mechanism, all these are we have to handle. It will create the stress. But I have to manage the stress by doing the pranayam, yoga, and some during holidays with family I will go to the family on holidays.
Who is your favorite school or teacher and why?
My mother is teacher for me, and she is my favorite teacher for me.
Whom do you consider your role model and why?
My father, because he taught us how to struggle and how to face the problem. And being he is the loyalist person in our society, I always follow him because of that I became his role model for me.
Please share any one teaching of your mother.
She always tell us, speak always truth and confidently, and love to the poor family peoples and help them in the society, those who are poor peoples in the society.
Please share any one teaching of your father.
Yeah, he always tell us to do hard work. During our school holidays also, he used to ask us work in the farm, do, and during studies he has to be early morning. He will wake up us and do the study. And during even my service period also, he used to inspire, go ahead. We are the behind you.
Can you recall any one incident that tells you that my parents is my God?
Definitely, because because of here as a president, because of them only.
Would you like to thank your wife for support and help?
Definitely, she always motivates me for doing the well-being, to doing the good things in the society and do the hard work for in the industry.
There are so many people, families and companies which earn their living because of sugar factory. Can you roughly tell us how many lakh people are the beneficiary directly or indirectly?
Definitely, in Piccadilly, Angrez, there are 20 to 25,000 people are directly and indirectly benefited from this industry.
What was your last year crushing and recovery?
Last year we have crushed about 7.5 lakh tons of crushing, and recovery was 11.
What is your crushing and recovery target this year?
This year our crushing is 7 lakh tons and recovery is 11.
What were the main challenges before you as a managing director or president when you took over the office, and how many of them are realized?
Definitely, because in the month of May 2019, I have just Piccadilly Industries. This industry was not performing well because they are having many stoppages and yield was not, recovery was also on lower side. Too much losses are there. Systems are not in place. There was no ISO implementations. Here after May 19, I have joined, I have studied this plant and analyzed the problem and started taking the corrective actions for them, and I'm seeing the fruitful result of this my hard work, because we are constantly doing the crushing daily 5,000 TCD, and recovery is almost 10.75 with the minimum losses.
How do you update your technical knowledge?
I always used to use the technical books as well as the management books.
How important to replace old sugar technology with new sugar technology?
Definitely, new sugar technology is far better than the old sugar industry, because we cannot deny the old sugar industry because that is a basic, but the new sugar technology is also far better, because it creates it gives the more yield and more production to the industry and minimize the losses, and as well as the minimum manpower and energy saving equipments.
Please tell us about the jugaads or innovation done by you at your factory to optimize various machines and equipments or process.
Definitely. Last year, in this Piccadilly agro-industry, boilers are not giving the capacity of more than 75 tons per hour. but I have analyzed the problem and rectified the problem. These boilers are now giving the 100 tons per hour of the steam generation, and the steam with the steam saving equipments with the modified pipeline and steam saving ideas, we have minimized the steam consumption up to 38%.
What new equipments, machines, technology you would like to install at your factory to further boost the efficiency of the factory?
Condenser automation, automatic means pneumatic discharge or pneumatic cutover valves, pH automation, installation of AC VFD, mill DCS and boiler DCS. I would like, my next plan is to install this equipment to minimize the manpower and reduction in cost and to improve the efficiency.
How can we flourish more and more Indian innovation in sugar process or machines?
I think Indian sugar industry to switch, must switch over to the refined sugar, because plantation white sugar is an old technology nowadays, because all over world refined sugar is being used, and this is a chemical free sugar. People used to use the people's now demanding the chemical free sugars. Refined sugar is a chemical free sugar, means sulfurless sugar. So industry must switch over to the refined sugar.
What are the main challenges for sugar vertical and how can we face them?
The sugar main problem is for the sugar industry is now the price is sugar price is determined by the government, and quota is also determined by the government. So we cannot sell the sugar as decided by the quota by the government beyond that. Hence, it is very difficult to face and to give the payment to the farmers. That is the basic criteria. Because FRP is also decided by the government, but the sugar price is also decided by the market. These are the two controversial statement, means controversial things that is correlated in the industry that can be eliminated, because market has to decide the sugar price, then sugar cane price also decided by the market. That should be happen.
What government policies needs to be changed or improved to further boost the sugar sector?
The ethanol production they have initiated now, but the sugar quota they are releasing month-wise, that should be eliminated. Factory has to be given authority, as they have to sell whatever sugar quantity they must sell in that month or in that particular period.
What kind of maintenance is carried out at your factory, predictive or preventive?
Preventive.
Could you please tell us about few maintenance tips for our young engineers?
Definitely, I would like to ask them make a preventive maintenance chart, and accordingly they have to maintain the vibrations of the machines, temperature as well as the oil lubrications. They have to check everyday checklist I have prepared. They have to fill and they have to plan accordingly their schedules also.
How can we replace harmful chemicals with biochemicals in sugar production?
Previously I have mentioned that sulfur is harmful for us. That can be replaced with sugarless productions. Even though bioenzymes are there which gives the more yield and less viscosity to the sugars.
Which company or vendor supplies chemicals to you?
Ours is, there are different suppliers with us. Then one of these Biodeg is there. Then sulfur supplier is from oil, one of the Panipat oil refinery is there. Then Panitech is the one of the industry that they are supplying the chemical to us. And Ion Exchange also is there.
How can we save energy in factory level?
Definitely, first the installation of VFDs, very efficient gearboxes, and I can say the planetary gearboxes, replacement of the old technology light bulbs into the LED bulbs. That can save the energy. By doing the energy audit of the plant, we can save a lot of energy of the plant in the plant.
How can we reduce pollution at factory level?
Definitely reduction in the pollution, waste generation. We have to minimize the waste generation. Means water is the main water pollution in the sugar industry, polluted water, but we have to minimize the wastewater generation that can be minimize the pollution to the industry.
Area under cane cultivation is reducing every year. How can we tackle this problem?
I can't say I not agree with this statement because the area under cultivation in the industry is going day by day. Because previously there are some few sugar factories in India. Now this more than 500 sugar factories are there in India and they are crushing with their full capacities.
Please tell us about your future plans.
I have to Piccadilly Agro. I have to convert into this plant into the refined sugar plant and with a more energy efficient plant with reduction of the unwanted manpower. Training to the employees, ISO implementation, FSSC food safety management system implementation, 5 years implementation. That is my next plant to Piccadilly.
Tell us about the awards and recognition you got by various bodies.
Last year I got award in Bharatiya Sugar, that is function in from Kolhapur. I have been awarded by Sugar Technology Association Award as a management representative. In Renuka Sugars I have been awarded best performer, and in Olam I also awarded as a best executive member of this team.
Your advice to young engineers working in sugar vertical and other process industry.
Young engineers should study the problems, analyze the problem, and act accordingly. They should study as well as theoretically as well as practical knowledge combination. They should do with hard work. They can always, with this motivation, they can grow in the industry.
Would you like to share anything else with us?
Definitely. I thankful to the Mr. Prajapati because he has started such a magazine for the sugar industry. This gives the motivation to the leaders like us. It will create the awareness to the other industry peoples. It will give the awareness as well as the motivation to the other industry peoples also.
It was pleasure talking with you, sir, and thanks for sharing your views with us.